Downton. Everybody loves some Downton. I don't know this song at all. Alright, we're in New York. We're picking up cars. A lot of cars. Yeah. I seem to make it back every 2-3 years. Yeah. It's good fun.
This is Matt.
This is Ken. Good to meet you.
Yeah.
Trying to figure out which one would be best on which trailer. This one's probably easier to get onto your trailer.
I was gonna say, and probably like this one will be going to my house, so we won't need to unload and reload.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So we can move that one to your trailer.
Yep.
This is so cool. There's so much cool stuff in there.
So much.
Those little ATSs, those are cute.
I'm stoked on those, yeah. I love it. Just a quick weekend of welding, we'll have a floor.
There you go, Serafina. Well,
Legit. I was hoping to learn to weld on this.
there you go.
Learn to weld on this, weld up the Cooper S, and so we just picked up a pickup on Tuesday. Yeah, and which is funny. Also left-hand drive.
Wow.
I've been into minis almost 10 years now, and I hadn't had a single left-hand drive one until 2 years ago, and now it's like everything left-hand drive. It's crazy.
Have you ever had mini moke?
I have not had a moke. That's the one variant I haven't owned.
Okay.
I've had a Hornet, 2 Hornets, 2 pickup trucks, 2 Countrymen. I 2 panel vans.
All right. Yeah, I mean they were common in England. Everybody used those stuff.
Everybody loves the panel van. Loves it. They go crazy every time I show up in it.
Yeah. Right. Very good.
So probably just back my truck up to the bay.
Yeah. This will be the harder one to get.
Yeah. Well, it's nice. I actually have a little like crank winch that
Excellent.
can use, just drag it on up.
Yeah.
Hopefully it'll work nicely. This thing, I wasn't expecting this to roll as nice as it did. Mainly because we've had so many just poorly rolling minis lately.
Yeah.
That pickup truck, it didn't want to roll unless we pushed it with a tractor.
When I first saw this one a few weeks ago, this one wasn't going to roll real well since the subframe was laying on the floor.
This, really, this thing doesn't look near as bad as I was expecting it to be. Like, this is a perfectly savable car.
The rear subframe remounting was a bit of a bodge, so it's not perfect. As you can see, I had to cut a hole somewhere.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see it. Yeah, I see the little.
Because they weld the nut in.
Oh, they do.
Well, it's not a nut. It's just an insert.
An insert, yes. Yeah, the nutserts.
Yeah, and
wow, the headliner is much better than most of my other minis. That headliner's really good shape.
Smoker.
We're in New York, loading up trucks and buying minis.
Yes. Has that been tied down? No.
Oh, it looked like, I thought he did. He had a bungee cord.
Yeah. I think we need that bungee cord back.
Yep. All right, so we have the Tundra fully loaded and the Tacoma fully loaded. Yeah, that's not staying back here. Tunnel. Look at that spare. Looks mint. A little breezy in here. I'm gonna leave this seat back here though. We gotta find a spot for that. There's still some stuff in the Countryman we should probably move out. That seat is not bolted in, so I pulled it out.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Perfect.
Stuff on the back will be alright.
That was going to be my next question.
Yeah. I wasn't too worried about this either, but better safe than sorry, I guess.
Yeah.
Where to put it, this question.
Do you have a back seat open?
It's full of wood.
We could put it in my back seat. Yeah, because that wood is... Yeah, the Countryman is taken apart, and we have the original wood for it. I'm going to fill up the Tundra, or Tacoma more.
Stuff for Tonga.
And don't forget your hoodie.
Ah, thank you. So hook the trailer back up again.
Yeah. We are loaded up and heading home. Got a whole bunch of stuff in the back. Got a classic Mini Cooper on the trailer. And we got Dave coming along with the Countryman and a truck also full of stuff. So we're gonna have a big job figuring out what we have and where it's going. And just like that, through the magic of editing, we are home and already starting to unload. We have the Cooper S in the garage. And look at all this. Look at Delorto. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff. And check it out. Downton, everybody loves some Downton. I don't know this song at all. And Dave's just bringing the Cooper. Or the Countryman, rather. I had the Cooper. He's way better with a trailer than I am. But I'm getting better. Second time using a trailer. Brought a car home from New York. That's a win. Alright. Now to unload. And go say hi to the puppies. And we are home and unpacked. Big day. Big day today. We brought home a proper Cooper S, a Countryman, and we found that the Cooper S has not been registered since '69. Look at this. January of '69, this expired. So this Cooper S has been off the road since 1968. Kind of soaking that in. All right. Thanks for coming along on this one. We'll come back next where we're going back to the same garage and getting 3 BMWs.